We salute all man where he don't find a chair she don't because talk a day. And when talk a day, it needs me she don't so that me you hear and then see him. We salute when for upside say na time this way we get for start. For life they say there's so money na Satan and na money they separate people. When you understand say money na Satan, normal they not be get for take money for go give offering for church. Because church na God's house. When Satan enter for inside God's house, na for scatter people them. And if a pastor or prophet accept, say me Satan enter church, that means a small time which people them they go take church, me turn another room. Anyhow it is, we all never see him talk him as we see him. Chapter 1, we go talk palaver. This one, we council police them, they bring confusion from Marche to the inside Yaoundé. Why they bring the confusion? They say they so. Business people them, they don't leave a shop them for the pay rentage. They decide for come out. They create their own market now for corner road and it cause traffic. We go come over that one. We talk palaver accident pa. It don't come out with the taxi for find the one way it go put chop for table for a family, but it can meet up now accident where it go and then Okada man if fly go jam you for back. Last fight they say this so pa it get for pay Okada man because it get caught for his skin. Chapter for election now palaver SDF where it don't last get the new chairman. Person we don't replace a Ninja Fundi, they call him na Joshua Oshi, na he be win the election where it happen for inside Yaoundé for Palais des Sports. So people them, someone them they glad, meanwhile, someone them they vex. We could hear them all. Fight for inside Biamasi when na quarter for inside Yaoundé. Na student them when they come over school. Other one it can buy on so set. After someone said me buy it on, he say money don't finish. Now trouble is start the Koshi family. Now they will a confusion is start. Time we anti-gang don't hold arm. The boy they picking too. It talk bad for big man. So now we talk now for police where they day. Fire where it happen. Fire where it catch some village. Petrol village for site for a cock. Fire a enter they a visit them. Side where they sell petrol. All kako a burn for that side. Business kako a burn. Even people them that motor where if you can carry petrol, it catch to fire. So people them for that side they decry their losses because they never come out with anything. We go talk to Palava chieftaincy for site for West region. Now for village where they call say Bangang village where it don't be for confusion. Boy them the block road say this so now some big people them for inside country they don't decide now for choose their chief for that side and where tradition if you don't finish no person where they go put them the chief for Bangang village. We go talk to Palava this one now so election now the shares union where them said they be meet up for site for Baminda they sit down they say they so trouble is there for inside Mbumland concerning the title holder them because the head board in every so they be made to their own election after they elect their new executive person where it did the head for the commission or person where it be new president for shares union they call him now share Frank for site from Cambe na it be win. We go come on now, we talk now, Palava, Takuda, na Tabiken, people them where they sit down for inside Yaoundé, then two they be gather for site for Tinga, they say they so, then say they want to get their own house for the sit down that meeting. So they be talking they so make people them they can't help them. So that mean they get money for be the place because they don't buy the hall, but money for bill them, you know this. So they be invite people them, they come down, even fun for site from bar, if be there for that side, Kimbi Sakwa, na ISSF, if be head boy for that commission. When we go fit it now, we could dance and then dance where it be happen for that side. Sense today a toxicity. Sense today for sharp morning time it talk say man ye head na ye neck it carry am. Sense today it talk say Man ye head, na ye neck e carry am. Person wey send am for we na Pa FM. Pa FM is send am for we for that side for Mbenon. Mbenon na village wey dey under Noni subdivision, and for side for Bui. And Bui e dey na for northwest Cameroon. Woman wey support am na Ma Ejeng Francisca. Ma Ejeng Francisca de Shidon for side for Ekona, and Ekona e dey under Moyoka subdivision for side for southwest Cameroon. Now then we wan come back, we go take talk. Dem talk say body when e don weak, e get for rest. And plenty people they don't know say this, so when you make spot, plenty sick e dey comot for your skin. May we start the make spot because spot e be important. We enter now for inside the chapter now, chapter 1 for side where they call am Marché Etudi. Inside Yaoundé, where the capital for country, na stranger them they be enter for the which can stranger them. It be na a council police where they can visit business people them where they don't run shop for inside market, and then they go to sell for corner road. Now way council police is surprised them for that side. They carry business kako, put them inside the camion, go with them for side for council. Say this so business people them for that side for to the market. They know the respect commander. What the way mayor if we talk am, and the mayor if you don't talk say this so me man is not safe for corner road because it detect a traffic, and when traffic day now so pickpocket them, they take advantage for take move post for people that skin and move even thing where they call them telephone, and then they see people that back for that side. So if we talk to this so that road it get for be free, but country people them they not here at all. So road where they come up for site for to the market, for come for site for Santa Barbara, or for go for site for right chart. Now so the road a block, and now because of the business people them where they make the business for corner road where it not be normal. And time when these people them they make this work, they come and go. It not make even a 30 minutes. Business people them they turn back again for the very position for road. Even now when we talk, if you go for side for to the market, you can see say this so all man it don't turn back for road. They say now for road and where it not be normal. We come out for side for A to D. We talk chapter for accident. Now accident where papa it don't come over Sunday. Say this so me go find money where it go give picking them for share morning time Monday. Me they take and go for school for go chop. Now way one time if you go before one time Okada man a fly a can jam this countryman for a back. Now way countryman a paggy taxi. Now way a begin talk with them, but this Hausa boy them they decided this so pa must come out all money where if you walk for that share morning time. Yeah, me they take their countryman go with them for side where they call them for hospital. Now way pa a don't beg for the beg sote, and when you do the pa you see say this so pa na age person. So you yourself in the time where you taxi for save me picking and go for school. So this thing if you want bring a wahala, but last understand themselves. Now way pa a charge all you back and they charge you pocket them. A talk say this so what way don't come out time now only 2-5 way don't work season bonus time. So this one it be na trouble for inside Santa Barbara. Oh man, if the verse na verse say this so why they get for make am for pa where they get this age for this kind of way. Say the thing it no look good at all. But this boy them they say this so pa it more drop. If pa no drop, that means a taxi it no go check for the place. So pa it last it talks to this so than for the west time with a passenger the inside better na say me a settle the boy them and then find road for go. Anyhow anything for inside the country na only arrangement. We talk now chapter for SDF. Election for SDF, it be happen for inside Yaoundé for site for Palais des Sports. This one now many times them for site for SDF where they come up for 10 region them for inside country. They meet up say this so since we chairman need John Fundi a God because he the person where we get for replace the it not be done first be because they be still the that person where it go be for that place. So they will get 3 candidates where they will turn up for take the place for chairman. So any man it talk it on, any man it talk it on, even Shewa, yes, if it be one of the candidates, Shewa na picking will come up for site for Donga Mantum Division, yes, be not campaign, but in no favor ye they for this election will be happen. Last fight, the CM as any man, if we vote so they can sign last fight, person will win. They call him now Mr. Joshua Oshi na itself a last now. It take place for Ni John Fundi where a year itself a did now for bearing ground. So some militant them self they be vexed. So side way they come out can't reach for your but wait they don't see him say it not look good at all. Now Joshua Oshi that where a turn for that side the look am. This man where they talk with court they call him na Shiwa where he says every day the candidate. So trouble if they for that side and they be one fight for that side. They block vote before after arrangement it be happen before vote it continue. Anyhow way there now time this way this man he don't put the hand for Bible say this so he swear say corruption he no could again for inside party and party could go now can't quay shewa he don't come only for inside the hall say wait the see him he not correct for you. Anyhow way there now time this where they be working with the new person where he don't take power say me a whole peace plan say he on now only peace he like him for inside country he go take him for play with Ni John Fund to believe him and then they go with him for before. May we answer now for country people them where they come for the election. Country man where you see him he not fine and where you see him he fine. May we hear thing where country people them they go talk.
Vous mettez vous continuez. On ne peut pas dans le SDF transformer le SDF en ADB. C'est le ADB, c'est gagne. Oui, on a laissé le temps de présenter le programme. Moi, tout soupçonner quelque chose, je devrais dire, je veux connaître ceci. Quand vous n'avez pas fait, ne revenez pas quand on commence à voter avec des problèmes. S'il vous plaît. On parle maintenant au niveau de comptage. S'il vous plaît. Vous avez fait comme ça. En ce qui concerne l'élection, il y a le taux d'inscription. C'est ça qu'il faut. Il y a le suffrage valablement exprimé. Il y a le taux d'abstention. Il y a les bulletins nuls. C'est ça qui fait la décompte de tout. Vous ne pouvez pas être inscrit 100. Vous mettez 200. Ça se dit. On est où? Vous voulez que le social-démocratique devienne quelle qualité de parti qui doit faire une promouvoir et montrer à la fin du monde qu'il mérite d'être un parti socialiste où l'égalité des chances devait être partagée par tous. Je suis le président de la situation, j'ai un des secrets. Donc, ça veut dire que je tiens aussi certaines personnes derrière moi. Et non pas seulement le président de la situation, même dans le fond du j'ai la parole. Terminé.
Ladies and gentlemen, just some few hours ago, it was very hot here at the Palais des Sports because they were not following our constitution. They didn't respect it, the rules and regulations to polls. Normally, candidates are supposed to send representatives in various polling stations, which we send them our representatives, and they didn't want to use them and had to launch that people should start voting. And when they launched and people started voting, because all around they imported students that you can just see, just know that this is student. And you just know that that is a student. So, you see, I don't know what is happening that way. Alright, I know my people are there in this place. So, now the broad students, who, when you see a student, it's not a student that has even militated in the party. They were seated there, most of them are gone. Because when we say now we have to follow regulations, they found and said, well, if we meet you here, how many is coming? So everything is in order. And we have seen our representatives, they are using ID cards, people, at least our representatives are now witnessing all the normal electoral process. Anybody that comes out here as victorious, myself, I will accept the elections. Because people are the one, the power belongs to the people, and the one that gives you the power. And they are the one to decide at this moment of time. So we have no objection, because they will, after all, we still remain as SDF, and we still clean our house, we know our business and everything will be okay. So we know everything is going to be okay. Thank you, militants. Be rest assured that Shewa is there. And the order must come to our party, and the same order must come at the national elections. The electorate has to know that they must respect the procedures as is enshrined in our constitution. That militants know how the militants and the rules and regulations. If all is okay, we don't find any problem. So like what is happening now, I don't think that there's any problem. Thank you. We are together. In some few hours time, people will know who is the national chairman.
Wait away, this country people them they don't talk. We internal chapter lack respect for inside country. Picking them now papa and mommy they begin for start for train picking for house before teacher they go finish them. But it didn't say some papa them they don't leave all work now only for teacher in hand. But we ain't not the worker so now picking them where they don't go for school time for come back. Other one he go buy thing where they come say yeah what ye the soccer he come me he can't talk for you say me buy it on he talks to so money he don't finish he turn na trouble now fight where you want see him this big man will get white t-shirt where he call for phone time where don't come for separate another picking where the back the yacht he talk some talk for ye where the thing he overvex the countryman now he will countryman he hold ye after he take number for your papa he call him say this so papa he must go can't take picking now for cyber way they call them for police station because the picking he get some kind of system where if they leave him he go with time he go come bring confusion for inside their family so it not be easy it will happen na inside Biamasi when na quarter for inside Yaoundé anyway they me we try way for the time we picking for us before we send them for upside because for upside num na all man a the TikTok way now we will talk now time this way this countryman it don't go say this so now the picking that it is also strong up as when I see I'm now the picking that with the follow for back with white clothes it is also strong up now the other one that we in we get trouble as they don't hold them all them they say this so me then go meet to friend them yeah it be happen now inside the only where would they win now yeah where all example it be get for come out we come on now we talk palaver this fire where it happen for site for a cock a village where they call say petrol village for site for a cock it not be easy been there people them they don't vex plenty for seek out this matter for fire say way me we go for site for a cock go see what will happen now a cock that and road they be fair block am say this so no man e no go enter for a cock no motor e no go enter no okada e no go pass so na so e be happen for that side for southwest Cameroon na in that where motor them they don't park any man they try way for go see what way they happen for village where they can say petrol village for site for a cock na so e be happen look am na binnet a place them where they catch fire as when I say so and the place na play where they say petrol where all man for that side for southwest is Sabi say they so this place they call and say petrol village no one shop you know they all no one shop you know they on even motor we turn up so a last catch fire and we motor it become one time for come buy petrol for go sell them for our town now in this now where all thing it don't burn and the village if they na inside Carabot it not be easy see only the speed for the fire country people them any man the try way now for try way for video and people them too they will run around because fire now something way if it come out for side way they can fall for this side so they talk to this so they talk Asha for country people them where they don't lost their capital for inside this chapter for fire we too we the talk to this so Asha for this country people them say next time petrol a get for the remain for inside house when a block should in case if it is some kind way they could know how they feel over now big camion will be come with the petrol now in this way it don't last burn all even small thing for inside the normal mover the motor don't burn all as when they see them so LTM if try forget the video but although you never get fine video because the way this country people them they hold their telephone every day we teach them say no na so they hold am but no man in the year 12 the year na 13 me we come on now we go now for Bangang village where confusion dey tension too e dey for side for Banga village na in that where when I see so them block road they say there's some chief where if there for chair yourself God because he so he want to go if you don't write book big book a put am say this so na so you picking e go sit down for your throne now time where he don't die last fight e dey say some people them they don't impose say this one of them they go choose person where go be chief for that side so that thing it don't bring tension for Bangang village for that side where all man it tied na only face. Now way one time, big people them for inside they work and only with peace plan. Say this so they get for worker and then go meet up their big man for site for West Region for talk so they will make where they can say press conference for talk for country people them how the matter they get for arrange skin. Say some people them they back and then they push picking them. Me they go block road and wait if you bring a trouble and bangam it then have a corner northwest region where this thing will happen for northwest if it last can enter for that side and then the back say so make peace it happen since that they work with peace plan for inside country. Me we gonna have a side for Baminda. Talk again, Palava. This one na title holder them for Wimbum land where all them they be meet up for side for Baminda because then too they will get trouble for that their own side. Say me we go for that side go see them. They will get their own trouble when na title holder them for Wimbum land. Now anyway they will meet up for side for Baminda. All these them na title holder them. Shengiri, Shengmarong, all them will go for that side. Then Shidong. Now fund for Ngalo and fund for site for Nwari, all them they be there. They say they so Shea Frank and the other one, three candidates, they be turn up for be president for Mboso, national president for Mboso for inside Cameroon. So they be talk, fund them, they be talk for them, and then shoot for them. Now we for them that where they be there for that side, we from Gansha, share them, they be there. So share Satu for site from Bot Palace every day and plenty people them they be there for inside as well as so all this one na title holder them for Wimom land share NS way come out Douala every day for that side he come to for can see am and he become to for can vote because in this me share them then get their own president because any association or any garden where a president no dey a confusion it ever be for that place so all them they be meet up so for talk say this man, na he way we like him, say me go. Now time this way they be vote. After they come, they vote them. 1, 2, 3. So take a last person. Where a win, a baby na tumfon. Share franc for side from Campbell. That means na USSF where a get for carry the bag now for this moso share them. Where na themselves they ever take talk go give them for funds them for side for Wimbum land. So all man a be glad say this so now this countryman. They look am, they see say that the countryman a get for be the president. So they talk say so they make na transparent vote. They not be make na some vote for backside, but they make am now the one way all man a turn up for the place a see am. So it not be easy as when I see am. Time where this man he don't win, now he will fund from Garum and fund for side from Wanri. They be bless the man. They talk say so from today we don't give you power. And then begin to control this section for share them so that me would try way for make am me development be make am me peace ed and it talks say so me share them no say this so when 6 o'clock 6 p.m. a reach person he not get for be with Ngumba house Ngumba cap for your head and say share them you not get for drink for bad drunk and say share them me they not say this so they not get for follow my woman and title holder he not get for thief so now so talk them that way they talk for that side before they count this thing before they hand power for this countryman where they call and say tumfon share franc for that side so they be counter all so that me any man see am because corruption it dey plenty for country but it show clear so also the man we don't win it dey all we will see the person we will wake up for up that means say na he don't win the election for be national president from Boso for inside country. So the man is there for inside hall and he go turn up for up, all we will see him. Whether na who, but when he go turn up for up, all we will see the person. So the person na who, show we the person me we see him. Now in that, now the man that way he don't win. Then they come and say Tumfon, Shea Franklin. Now he don't win, he go now for go take the powers them for start the road, all they share them for Wimbum land. So now so this a lot now fun for one that we get the unclosed way now red and then it go give you power. First power. Now in that take them. A first power that it take them, it go put them for pocket, it go now, go take blessing for that side for fun, for side from Garum. So now so the matter it be happen for that side. Now we get for year thing where this countryman, you as president, now you don't win. Waiting you go do for semi peace it dey for inside. Yeah, brother, title holder them for site for Wimbum land. When I hear thing, we go talk.
The journalist, my name is Tashi Tum from Franklin. We are Tashi from Mumba. Today, the elected president from Mbum, CSU, what we would call Mbusu. I will first of all thank the shares and when they come for this convention and they participate actively in the elections and the deliberations that we will get them during this our annual convention. I thank to our partner they fund them where they don't approve, where they did you see them as they bless me how I be take this chair for president for this union. We aim for this union now for make sure say make peace and unity there amongst we for village. Because a shame and the man will show example for people and for make people know say bad thing no fine. Say for society we supposed to live like brothers and sisters. So share them that the closest aid for the fund. Now them take corner fund inside palace the advice fund for which works for go on for village. We aim to for preserve our culture and our tradition and for promote them too. Because you see, globalization become many things will go wrong for villages because people want to imitate the white man system, become with things the way correct for our tradition. So we will form this union for some of these things make we educate the people for passing that kind of idea for where globalization bring them, where it be an ill to the society and to our tradition. So now why that we day today for see and say me all these things our culture and tradition may they be promoted and be preserved. So I don't get plenty for talk. Now from what we will do I want to say and as I don't take this chair today, at the time we say may we create more branches for this Umusu. Still go for diaspora so that when they put them for there, they begin to know things that will happen at home because from home we give information to tell them which way they get to tell the other people because not everybody will be opportune for them back home too. So I'll be very glad. I know we'll get plenty for talk, but I will thank you the journalists where you don't get this time for interview me. So plenty not there for talk. We'll talk to them. Thank you so much.
Now the countryman that he don't take his power, that means say, me they share them too, they know say this, so now they get president, where now he could take them now, they tell them, wait where they get for do, if any person he get trouble, now he where they get for contact them, so that me, YSSF, he take decision. Question there we will also they ask them, now say, they don't sanction some title holder them for site for Mwangre Palace. That means say now, you let the president, now you now could get for do, try way for see they fund them, so that me they share them, they join the group. Another one now this country, people them for side for Tabiken where they should for inside Yaoundé. Then too they be talk to this so they get big problem. Then the beg has now Beckham before they should me we see them. Then the beg has now Beckham now picking them for Tabiken where they should for inside Yaoundé. Then the beg place before they should their own meeting. And they talk to this so me country people then they can't help them so that me them be their own hall because they don't buy a plot, but they never be the house because money no dey. Now president for Tabiken this and president for inside Tabiken. So people then they become they help them for say me then get money for buy cement, get money for buy zinc, get money for get plank. Now they are big man that time for me. Where be they now? Another time for me this. Share Derek Nchangi and this my countryman. He says the president for Killer for inside Yaoundé. He says if be there for that place now. Fund for site from bar where if we go for that side because he in need na development. Say Tabiken people enough they should done for inside Yaoundé. Now share Louis that where he should done for that side. Share Louis where he should done with coach. He now share Derek Nchangi. So it not be easy now. White people in this where they say self then they work with some picking for side for Tabiken. They say they too they get for can support. So plenty people that they will come up, they come for that side and go under them, they be there, madam them, even ma for them, all them they be come for that place. It not be easy at all. They say they so they need na only thing where they call say support for say me them be their own place because where they look up they see say they so all village them for side for Donga Mountain Division where they should for inside Yaoundé, they don't finish get that place where they should but now only them for Tabiken where they still the best place that black up. So to this countryman, it be blues on talk, it talks on talk where it be fine say they so anyone where you get them for pocket, you move them, it must lock some place where for the hall. Say anything where you get, I'm not talking this so it's small, but it could do work because money it is small the time we do for pocket, but time when the money don't start to do work, it not go small again. So plenty people they may come out and dance group them, they be there too for that side. All title people them for Tabiken, they be there. Now share Nyanga boy that means say share and Tanto Nwaro for side for Binshua, it be there for that side too. As when they see people become plenty. Now some group that way there for back, where they say now group for development. If occasion they call them, they can be plenty money. As this president for Killer, USSF Killer for side for Longkak, now it can give them plenty money for that side, so they be glad plenty. This country people until they go help them, they give their own, so they be glad plenty. Now time this way, dance, if you start the dance for that side, they make thing where they come and say valuta, and any valuta way will go for that side, it go for inside the back for Tabiken people them, so that me they get money for take be the place. So now so it will happen. Me we ask them now for their president, me tell we countryman. Why people they don't gather for here plenty so? Me when I hear thing we go talk.
Thank you very much. The Tabiken people were there for Yaoundé, where they meet under Tabiken Cultural and Development Association. They don't struggle, so they buy plot for Yaoundé. As money no day, they struggle for see how they even put first foundation, for they start put walls, for see what they get meeting house for here, so that they not continue to pay rents. As times they will be very hard, we be think say, apart from individual pledges, make we levy with subgroups. What they for Tabiken, what they meet for here. We get BRB, Binjong, Bintala, Bindi, Mola, Ne, Kishe. Say make each of them bring in a token of 100,000 francs at least for see what we raise pillars for this foundation. Now today, the of Tabiken when a masquerade dance will be very prominent. If we beg this day say, we will put them aside, make they can't dance. So that any gratification will come from observers, from visitors, from invitees, should be their own contribution for this project. And with the thank God say so far, we don't already begin. And with the dance we don't already dance, we don't start to realize. We trust and believe say it will be a very successful day. And say after this ceremony, we don't contribute a huge quota to the realization of this project. We thank this media for coming to us and for covering this event.
I think we bring we for here today na fundraising where Tabiken people get them. We na never Tabiken. Where they bring help we should for one day where we kill our people them. For Longkak we will make one fundraising they can help we. So today we don't come say more come to massively can help them for their own day where they make their own for so they will be their own house. Now why we don't come here today? We work our collage na do our culture. Collage na culture, no be na something we one cordman with them. Na culture when we make them so like that last time we don't be bad. I talk so our mama collage so na we culture. The collage no be na for culture man with them na we culture. We hold them so we knock them. Two people they knock them so we define so we culture. I want to thank the fund of Binshua, fund of Baraki for all things we make them because you see you don't put peace for we for that place we not get away problem for day over. We get that village day in peace. We not get away problem for day. With all these crises, we will get them. So I want to thank the fund of Binshua particularly for things we make them for we.
I wait to that where it be happen. So they talk say any man where you get now $1, $5, you help them. It go help them too for do that work because Tabiken now some village. Where USSF it not be get for the rent a place for she done that meeting. So now time where they don't finish talk, people be chopped, dreaming after they dance because some dance they way if it move rheumatism for your skin. Say we could match with that dance or we will dance. So now we get for talk. This Palava council police them where they don't drive Benin people them for Marché Itudi, and they don't turn back again for the very place. Waiting when they propose to me they do so that me any man he go for inside shop and then leave the road free. You go propose their own. We go talk to Palava this one Palava fight. We picking them they fight for inside school them careless. Picking them respect they waiting when they propose them. You talk them. We could talk to Palava strike for site for Bangang village, where they strike for Palava chieftaincy. They say they so they get their own chief, but another people them they want put their own chief with the power. We could talk to Palava Weti. We could talk another one. Now this one for SDF where they don't get that national chairman. Weti we not get for talk on top that one. Now fighting or now what we talk because peace it get for happen for inside country. We decided to person where they call on a chief for Tabon Tem. For Tabon Tem, we did for that side for Beta, yes, Beta the chiefdom for side for Manfe. He watch the program now for the palace. What you get for talk, say we, you don't put win number. When you want call, make sure say you off the volume for your TV so that me will hear you fine because if you talk TV, the talk, that means say na confusion. What you get for talk concerning SDF where they don't get the new chairman and then you talk am. Wait till you get for talk concerning Marche Etoji, where it is now for road, you go talk am. Now 650-60-8498. First caller, it don't come. Good morning, countryman. Okay, we put it aside because you know respect wait till we need them. Where you call and then you know off volume for TV, we dey keep you aside. We take another person because life na double na go before. Hello? Good morning. Off the volume for your TV with the short so you know the year. Hello, countryman.
Good morning, Sharamoko.
Yeah, who they call the president for side?
I call Jack and I call that for Yaoundé.
Yes, we give you 20 seconds for talk.
Yeah, I talk about that council police way they pass detecting the people that are so.
Yes.
I did ask them where did the pastor say me they don't pack in the corner road. Did they carry and go with them? Now which we could make a feel they come out on that car where they carry and go with them. We go come back with the people the corner road on now. Because that was the size of their business. After when they will take the thing them, they will need to see me they can pay money for carry back the car. So I decided now business they don't create them for them for your own day. Thank you.
Okay, now first caller. First caller, don't talk on second caller. Yes. We the social talk say life now for before. When you turn at one place, now so your life to the stand. And for life, you need for neglecting them because if you don't neglect them, you know if you go before. Hello? 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 For big man for inside country, you don't need to say me you hold gun or you go kill person. For big man. For be rich for country, you get for use na sense. And na your sense could make them you be rich. Because plenty of people when they don't be rich, you know be say they be thief na thief. They use na their brain. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, countryman.
Good morning, General Moko.
Who they call the person there for which part for country?
I'm Quincy from Gagashi, Yaoundé.
Yes. 20 seconds. Talk me with you.
Okay, I want to talk about this council police and actually I think the solution not for the they're not for the carrying people they are go to them go with them because people you know if they get show we not expose at least small for outside for show customers you get this and so that and the point they expose for outside because they don't get enough space for inside shop. So I think the solution they give for communicate with the cost we owner they will shop them. See if you busy the one expose something for outside, maybe they don't expose much car could never answer at least they just present a little bit so that means they give space to put them really pass through. Yeah, and something my brother don't talk say that they carry and go down so they carry and go down for which in short this county you know be correct we need communication with population.
But they not get for go block road because say they resell. So market it in inside you know they na for road. Now why that way they don't come out. So council police it do na a work where commandia na mayor the giam. So they're on the job they're on for follow nothing where mayor don't talk. So me we enter inside the market rent shop because for the sale for corner road. Road now for people the way they pass and now for motor them for pass, Okada them for pass. If we turn road now, it turn market, it no look good. Hello, countryman. Hello?
Good morning, General Moko.
Good morning. You there for sleep or you there for doctor?
No, I did for over, not there for sleep now. Tata Emil for Tabiken.
Yeah, Tata Emil is the call for Tabiken. We hear you, countryman.
Be happy. I seen that work where the council people do from Marche to just done a good work for sure example because if they come for the 2-3 times, so people not go sell for road.
Okay.
So that one a good work. If share day, if people they live shop for make advertisement as other people they talk, make the advertisement for front their store, make people they so they get passage for pass for see how they get business to for look that thing. Because everyone know the way you feel pass, where you see a person keep something, you know, we get passage for even pass before you see single person they say so for blog road, they know make sense for my own kind of small way where reason.
Thank you, Countryman. Hello, Countryman.
Yes, Countryman, good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
No, we thank God I come from Bamenda and Fred.
Yes, I hear say for Baminda, peace don't come.
No, well, small aid is small.
Okay, what you don't carry bring?
Yes, what you want take and come and say, people they talk say that council police they need to work correct work so. Now say they don't know what way they talk because.
We hear you.
Okay, what way then I say, if you know what no market day na for sell, no for commodity sell for road. If you know what they pass with motor, you know how they put sell for corner roads where they step, you know go no say what they do and not correct. When they don't talk to me, they inside market, you know go put in for road before people then buy. If they don't give limits, they not put up here, not put up here. It just say they go live can't carry that car so. They don't talk with the entire, they need 1 year. You know they pass for full market here for Bamenda. All things then for road, but we market inside market then are empty.
Thank you. Thank you.
I want to talk straight. For this, for the new chairman with the electors over SEL.
Yes.
All those people get grudges about the party.
Yes.
Make them tribal system, make them be in unity.
Yes.
Then join power, support Joshua Osi, make them see whether we'll be strong or see whether this country be defined.
Thank you. We don't hear you. Hello?
Hello, good morning, Gerard Moko.
Good morning, how are you?
No, fine, I'm on the call from Okutunja.
Yes, 20 seconds, we hear you, sir.
Yeah, I want to talk about that problem for Chief Stencil.
Yes.
Where when the village get a hold their chief.
Yes.
No, not Joe get a whole chief. Can't show for villagers.
Yes.
And Joe not get no notice talk say he get right for whole chief or this and that. That one has on new way they have a creator say na Joe the whole chief. That have a bring confusion inside the village. Because compound picking enough for compound bad die. Now compound picking have a hold their structure. Sure for quarter. No na quarter can hold your chair sure for compound picking them. So that will be very wrong. So that one if they not stop them, it go bring Omahala for inside country. Thank you, Gerard Moko.
Thank you. We salute all man for that side from Ketunja. We salute all man for side from Dian. We salute those who did the side for Adamawa. We salute all man for side for Garwa. Hello, countryman.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Gerard Moko.
Who they call the president of which side for country?
I call C for Monday.
Huh?
I call the C for Monday.
Yes. We hear you.
Oui, je voulais parler à propos du chef là.
Oui.
Oui, normalement le sous-préfet ne doit pas choisir un chef dans un village.
Ok.
Donc automatiquement, le chef doit être choisi par les notables. Donc il a fait quoi depuis le département du Nord, arrondissement de Maba.
Ok. We salute all man for that side from Magba. We the great all man for that side from Magba.
Mais depuis on a le cas pour Magba pour aider pour dire.
No, we'll put them. We'll put them. Yes. Hello?
Hello, General Moko.
Yeah, how you doing?
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Who they call?
Na Seka.
Yeah, Seka. Huh.
Yes.
Seka.
Yes. Nayi.
You don't have a weak place, no, Seka.
I think for Fumban.
Okay, we hear you, sir.
Yeah, I did turn that thing for
For side?
For cancer.
Yes, talk.
You will be na say that work where they work fine work, but think they people the way they carry them.
Yes.
They put them for inside camion so they say na fine work. They will come push them, go them for corner with me man taking them. That one they take them so do na way with them again.
Now one thing to that. We salute all man for Fumban. We salute all man for Fumbot. We salute those who they did for Banganti. And we salute those who they did for us side for Sancho. We salute all man for Baham and for Bacham. We salute all man for side for Libya Lem. We did watch their program. We salute all man for the other side for Mabanda Kumba. What you get for talk, small time we could come out na time this way you get for call. Some person be dey try for call we for that side for and send a touch for side for the water, but it didn't say the line it will be busy. We salute all man for that side for casino for the water. We dey great to those who did the other side for Temini Saint Michel. We salute to Malam Saido. It was the program. Hello? Hello? Good morning. Hello? Good morning.
Good morning, General Moko.
Yes. Who there for the call?
Na Shamsia to for message.
Yes. How are you?
I dey fine. I want contribute my own apala that council police them.
Yes. For it to
the work where they work is fine. But the work where they work is fine because it not be easy for person for pass for road now, so especially when it be November, December, traffic the over there for road. Because of that, whether they say for road. Then I want to talk for the mayor. Now say some people then they run for instant market can't say for road now because the shop they over expensive. When they try to reduce the price for the shop then. Or if not say shops they know they for market where if this shop don't flop. Me they find another market, me they build another market so that people then go sell for shop. Me they put down the price so that all man will be able for pay house rent, for pay the shop. So that no man will feel safe for road. My own contribution that.
Thank you.
For that, for Palava that people, some person they don't misunderstand that chieftaincy. Where you say they get to vote now for village. That is, you get to understand say share they different with chief. Share not be chief. So for share the people vote share now. That is now the chiefs them get to vote. Now the shares and get to put that head person. Not the villagers them get to select that one. So for me, where they do it is fine.
Thank you. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Who they call the president for side?
Nangala Miss the call from Douala.
Yes. Talk quick, madam.
Yes, I want to talk on issue for chieftaincy where you that intervene for inside. It cause a lot of division for village because me I be a victim for Tingo village where you don't divide village into two and it cause war.
Tingo village don't have that side for Bafut?
Yes, for Bafut we live the same scenario.
Okay. Thank you. So now people them for that side for Tingo village where you don't call. So we still wait again. They way the deal for that side for Santa subdivision. It could go for that side for Baligam. For chapter for that hospital where we be talk for semi them bring peace for that side. Anyhow we day we so the wait we now call last caller or second to the last meal we talk. We decided all man for that side for message. We decided to those who did the other side for play with the call am for that other side. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, General Moko.
How you doing, no countryman?
No, I just come at the call for Isan Gogetunja. The Oscar, sir.
Yes.
Now, can I ambutia the common people that don't carry people that car could do for motor so? They don't carry us, so they can't give for them back, or they won't carry that car and say that car could go again for loss.
Ah, man, no, countryman.
Because the Oscar, they don't begin to people that car could do for motor anyhow. So the people really kill the people that car could even cancel worker, they won't come. For those that move for they want this time, they pack up.
Okay. So now Mr. Oliver, we don't call businessman for that site. Yes. So we decided to person where they can say Shea Baba, where they should for that side for Nigeria. They watch their program live for that site. We decided to the fun for that side for Mwa and fun for that side from Court and from BIM. They follow the program. Hello? Good morning.
Good morning, General Moko.
Good morning. How are you doing?
Yes, I recall I want to give my own contribution about that chief problem for Bangladesh.
Yes, but we don't know your name. We don't know how we call.
Yes, and this is called Pamenda from Gwen.
Yes. Talk quick. We give you now 15 seconds.
Yes. You know, chief potential that trying to be, you know, I think government can interfere inside national form. They I mean, government get a voice of Kia inside village when it comes to the ruling of the people. The chief who the village be chosen by the people of the village and the traditional heads of the village, not by the government. Government not get any voice to come choose Kia village. And this I want to talk because our government misunderstand the two things. They want mix makers. They want people inside traditional that is ruling of every village. Politics looking for the inside our villages. I mean, they state there for overall all the but you give voices them, you give action, state looking for take them.
Okay, we don't hear. So the program don't finish. Me man not call again. Program don't finish. Yes, I don't give una time. Say me when I call and then when I don't call. We could still go for school because this thing it they say we don't understand. We dey shout here every day. Shout here every day. Check say sometime when I for upside when I follow it away we need them. Better image we get for come up for that site for Petro Village, but you know come up because those for that site they hear thing where we talk but they do on their own. When you want video something where you know say you go send them for TV station. Me you hold your Android phone na this size. When I look my own, now so I dey hold my phone for make videos. You say you get for tech copy work, you hold and so for make video for where you know say you go send them for any TV station. Because this one na size for camera. Now so camera they stand. And now so camera head a day. And the television where we use them, when they come and say flat screen television, where now so it is turn up. So you get for stand to your telephone so for make video so that me they show them for flat screen television, me it dey fine. But when you hold and so, we never first get that kind of TV for Africa. TV where they now for up so we never first see them. Sometimes still there for the camp. But for now, when they use that television will be flat. That means you must put your phone flat for make any video, send them for person where you want send them. Because it will help some person for some place. So with the thank all man we did the other side for side phone call, and with the thank those for that side for Ako. We salute all man for that side for Dumbu. We salute those who did the other side for Donga Mantum. We the great all man for side for Kumbo. We salute those for Womb. We salute those for Bafman, and we salute all man for Iso. We salute those who did for side for Way, and we salute those for that side for Timbang. We salute to Nihoni. We don't stay, we never hear a voice. We never get a video then for that side. We salute to those who did for that side for Batibo. And for Gozang, we greet all them. Say this so we salute all man for Mancon. And we salute Mancon for history. Now the first warrior for side for Northwest. Second warrior for side for Northwest. It will be now the fund for side for Ndu. That means second warrior for the whole Northwest. For those who do not sabi, first na Mancon and then second na Fondu. So na history for some people them. So anyhow we day we salute all man for that side for Sabongida and Sabongari. We salute all man for Ntumbo. We greet all man. We follow the program for side we day. Say na for LTM you see them all. We thank Landy say we USSF na the match button every day and the control the Facebook page. And then we thank to man we don't come for work we today. We na Mr. Francois USSF day for corner for see her the today it ever work out. Me they call me na General Moko the under general for country. Where the worker will broom for sweep all dirty way it dey for country send and for water so that me country dey clean and me it know the smell. Anyhow we dey we need na peace for country. We no need na disorder. We come meet up tomorrow same time different information if God will accept. Me we go rest say we don't go. Bye bye.